Looking to give your PC build a cleaner, more professional look while improving airflow? SilverStone's PP07 sleeved power supply cables offer an easy way to extend your existing PSU cables and upgrade your system's appearance. Whether you're working with a large case or just want better cable management, these individually sleeved cables deliver both style and function in one package. I recently added the PP07 EPS8B cable set to my setup, a black, individually sleeved extension with an 8-pin to EPS12V 8-pin, 4+4, connector. It was perfect for my motherboard and roomy case. What stood out was the quality. These cables are stiff enough to hold their shape, thanks to their heavy gauge wiring. That firmness helps keep cables neatly routed and reduces clutter, which directly improves airflow inside the case. If you've struggled with messy cables or want a sleek upgrade, this is a practical solution that also looks great. SilverStone offers the PP07 line in 5 types of cables, including 24-pin motherboard, 4+4-pin EPS, 6+2-pin PCIe, 6-pin PCIe, and 4-pin SATA extensions. Plus, you can choose from several color options, black, white, red, or combos like black, red, black, blue, and black, gold, to match your build's aesthetic. Keep in mind, if you're mixing brands, the sleeving and colors might not match exactly, but the difference is subtle and won't detract from the overall clean look. If you're serious about cable management and want to boost your PC's airflow without replacing your entire PSU, these extension cables are worth a look. They make cable routing easier, reduce clutter, and add a polished finish to your build. Try SilverStone's PP07 cables when you're ready to upgrade your setup with both style and function.